Today I'm going to introduce this KVM switch from SSI, and I'm going to introduce how fast it is, how convenient it is, how useful it is. First, let me introduce what is KVM. In the past, products like KVM switches were primarily used by IT professionals and were considered electronic devices for advanced engineers. However, about 3 years ago, we recognized an opportunity when USB-C devices started gaining popularity in the consumer's market. It became evident that USB-C KVM switches could be used by the general public as well. Users typically want to control multiple computers by using a single keyboard and mouse, while displaying the content on the large screen. There are several other situations where we need the KVM switches. Users who own 2 Mac computers and have a studio display monitor, this is a significant demand, especially since Apple introduced the affordable 5K Studio display and the new M1 and M2 computers in 2021. It attracts a large audience. When working from home, users often have a dedicated work computer and a personal computer. For some Mac users, they also have a Windows computer for gaming purpose. And for content creators or professionals in the business field may want to easily transfer their files from their computer to a tablet, allowing for easily manipulations on the files and quick presentations on their ideas to the audience. Our KVM switch caters to all of these scenarios, providing unpredictable convenience. So let me elaborate on these usage scenarios. You will discover that our USB-C high-speed switch not only offers KVM sharing functionality, but also provides various other applications. It can serve as a compact data sharing center or simultaneously charge laptops while being operated. It simplifies and eliminates the uncertainty of constantly plugging and unplugging. Will the products of cable's lifespan be drastically reduced? Our product addresses these concerns by offering a simple and convenient solution, ensuring durability and reliability in your setup. Now we have developed 9 models of KVM products, ranging from entry-level USB-C 2.0 to USB 5G, USB 4, and Thunderbolt 4. From simple KVMs to various applications of KVM docks. Want to become a professional brand for USB-C KVM switches? Let's discuss how to get started right away.